Hello, I'm Mike Lindell, inventor of MyPillow. Thanks to your support, you've helped make MyPillow become one of the fastest growing companies in America. Over the last 12 years, you've helped MyPillow create thousands of jobs right here in the USA. Every MyPillow is made with passion here in my home state.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to channel 4.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Beltrami Police Department. A strange event is currently unfolding in the city of Bemidji, Minnesota. At 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time, multiple 911 calls have been made over the past few hours to report violent and gruesome murders. Police are unsure what is causing these murders in such a violent and gruesome manner. As a precautionary measure, all residents of Bemidji are being asked to lock all doors and windows for your safety at this time. Police are also asking that you do not call 911 unless you have an emergency. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.
This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test. Information will now follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Beltrami Police Department and the Beltrami County Emergency Management. A large and extremely dangerous explosion has occurred at the Bemidji Regional Airport, causing major power outages and toxic gas to form. It has also been reported that this toxic gas is extremely dangerous and harmful to humans. It is not yet known what has caused this explosion to occur. All residents are now to take the following actions. Lock all doors and windows for security. Turn off all heating, air conditioning units and close fireplaces. Seal cracks around doors or windows. It is also recommended that you get to the lowest part of your home for security reasons. Do not call 911 unless you have an emergency. And do not go outside for any reason. If you go outside, You will be putting your life in extreme danger due to this toxic material. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation.
All radio stations and television stations has ceased broadcasting for your safety at this time. This is an update to the previous warning that was issued. After the large explosion and the toxic gas, civilians were exposed to the gas and died minutes later. Paramedics arrived on scene, but when they arrived to check the bodies they were presumed dead. But after a few seconds they then mutated into a figure, or like creature, and began attacking the paramedics and the police and then the SWAT officers. The creatures have also broken into several homes and killing all the occupants inside. This is a very dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. All residents hearing this broadcast are to take the following actions. Lock and barricade all windows and doors to prevent these creatures entering your home. If you have any armed protection, use it by all means necessary, such as a gun, knife, or any blunt sharp object. It is believed that these creatures are heading to a small neighborhood as well. If you live near the Bemidji Regional Airport, take all necessary precautions to protect yourself. Stay tuned for more updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Beltrami County Emergency Management. This is an update from the previous alert. The creatures are now roaming a small neighborhood and breaking into homes and killing anything and everyone that gets in their way. As many as 56 fatalities have been reported as a result. All residents are in extreme danger. But there is no hope. There is no hope for you. You are next. When this broadcast ends, so will you.
This is the Beltrami County Emergency Management. Now with conjunction with the Department of Homeland Security and the National Guard. All residents hearing this broadcast are in extreme danger and perhaps your life. To protect your life, take the following actions. Stay indoors at all costs. Do not go outside. If you go outside, you will be putting your life in extreme danger and will most likely be killed. Stay away from windows. Turn off all lights and gas. Stay quiet at all times. Do not